Alright, family, we're about to find out what we got here at the African Diaspora Forum, and this is in a complex of the W.E.B. Du Bois Center. And the same as we talked about, our great organizer, Marcus Garvey, that's the guest center dedicated to the legend himself. So family, what we're looking to do here is to find out the mission, the goal, and find out some information for our people looking to reconnect to the land of the ancestors. So since we have our tour guide here, is all dressed up looking sharp, we're going to find out from him what's the mission of this African Diaspora Forum.
Oh, okay, this is a place all African Americans who are in Ghana. You know, that's an exhibition center. It's a meeting place also for them. They are from various areas, and you need to sit down and think about Ghana, think about the whole Africa. And this is where they all meet, all the African Americans in Ghana. So that building really belongs to African Americans in Ghana and the diaspora.
Oh, perfect. Let's show us around, because the other lady said that she is not the guide here.
Yeah.
How's it going?
Over here, that's just an office. That's the director's office. Can you just imagine designing those? There's an African map.
That's powerful.
And that is someone's handiwork.
That's powerful. I know Kobla knows a lot about the African Diaspora Forum, right, Kobla?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good answer. And this is our wonderful sister, the official guide.
And there's an exhibition center. We have various books, items, you know, and all this are.
So everything's for sale?
Yes.
All right, so big shoppers, you can get your shopping and spending on.
Yeah. You see, one thing is, you move to somewhere, you see different thing. From there to another place, you also see the different thing.
Yeah, we got my brother David's book in here. David and Gabriel.
Who's that?
A black guide for investing in Africa. That's who we're going to be connecting with later on today, David Jawara.
Which one? Where? So, this one or this one? Oh, she only has one. Oh.
Yes, Kwabna, this is an excellent collection.
Oh, yeah. From here, we'll just go to the memorial wall for people to see what is written there, the meaning, and if they want to have their names there. There are various people, various names who have visited this place and they just want to sign up. So you can put your name over there. But it goes for a fee, of course.
Excellent, we'll just look at it.
All this money are money that they use to maintain the building.
Oh, excellent, it's a good program. Keep the building going good, because the building does look good.
Okay, let's also go to the wall.
Ancestral wall outside, where if you want your ancestors' name to be placed on the flag and put on the wall, which costs $100.
That's amazing. We're going to take a look at it.
Okay, alright, I'll go with you.
Absolutely, we are going to check it out, the ancestral wall. And we can see one of those, and you're not talking about this wall directly in front of us, we're talking about the one on the side.
Okay, this is the founders' wall. These are the people who actually helped put up this building.
The L rather sounds inward.
You get a better closer look at that? Now, you're talking about in the back here.
Yeah, that's the tank of
behind the building.
He's a South African. The South African presidency.
Give you a light little inside view of the outside. These are the Sankofa wall, the wall of attorneys.
Oh, this lady. Oh, Kimberly. I've read so much about this lady.